How to make and apply hypertonic saltwater soaks. You will need salt, water, measuring spoon, measuring cup, gauze, scissors, and a bowl. Step 1. Mix 2 teaspoons of table salt with 1 cup of warm water in a clean cup or bowl until the salt dissolves. Step 2. Cut the shape of a Y into a piece of gauze. Step 3. Soak the gauze in the salt water and then squeeze out the gauze so it is not dripping wet. Step 4. Place the wet gauze on the skin around the feeding tube and leave it there until the gauze cools. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Do not let the gauze dry. If the gauze is too dry, it may pull at the stoma and cause pain when being removed. Step 5. Once the gauze is cool, remove it and leave the stoma open to the air to dry. You do not need to wash the salt off the skin afterward.